Alright, so happy Monday. My soon-to-be mother-in-law, call her Mama Donna, she thought it'd be a really good idea to make a video about my Shakeology iced coffee recipe. So I'm using vanilla, and it's good. It's not my all-time favorite, so I like to use this one when I'm making coffee. So I got my little blender right here. I've got ice, I've got creamer, I've got some chocolate syrup, I've got leftover coffee from yesterday morning, and I've got my Shakeology. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my Shakeology, which I absolutely love my Shakeology. I like it pre or post workout. Lately I have not been loving hot coffee, so I figured why not put my Shakeology in my coffee. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 ice cubes. Got my Shakeology packet in there. I think it says to do 1 packet to 8 to 12 ounces of cold water, or basically anything you want to mix it with. So I'm gonna do a little bit of creamer. A little bit of chocolate. Oh, sorry, it's upside down. A little bit of chocolate. And then add my coffee. Now let's just hope I don't wake the baby. Alright. I just kind of wanted to give y'all an intro into the Shakeology too. I love it. It tastes so good. The chocolate is probably my favorite. And they have a lot of flavors. They even do pumpkin spice and peppermint mocha. I think it's actually increased my milk supply when I am drinking it consistently. I don't think I've had this in a couple days, but I love my Shakeology, and I've tried a lot of different like protein mixes and pre and post workout shakes and everything, you know, curb your appetite, and honestly, like, this is the best. I love it so much, and it tastes amazing. So, you know, it's like having a healthy milkshake. So I made my own frappe basically this morning. Yum. So I just drank it out of my blender because, you know, why waste more cups? So here's my recipe. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different ingredients. I've got my Shakeology, got ice, leftover coffee, chocolate syrup, and creamer. And I don't always do the same ingredients, you know, like sometimes I use my my fancy creamers. Sometimes I don't do chocolate syrup. I just did chocolate syrup because I was using my vanilla. So I wanted to just, you know, jazz it up a little bit this morning. So happy Monday, and I hope y'all enjoy. Hey, Munchkin. Yeah, did you sleep good? Oh, goodness. Goodness. Good morning, handsome boy. Hi. Oh. Oh. You ready to get the day started? Yeah. Oh, bless you. Yeah. I love you. I love you. Yeah. He's so handsome. He's so handsome. He's so handsome. Mwah. Oh. Yeah. Say it's time to get our Monday exercise on, ain't it, baby? Yeah. Yeah. Let's do it. So let's do it. Yeah.